Come on, Avery.
Is this the new house that we're supposed to be getting?
Yeah, the landlord said that nobody wanted it, so we just decided to buy it because we were homeless. I mean, we only lived in like a one-story apartment. There's not much people in there, so yeah. Come on, let's see.
Yeah.
Ooh, a very nice house. Quite nice ass house. Let's see. It's got a living room with a nice fireplace.
They got a second living room.
I think that's the main. Ooh, a kitchen with a complimentary charcuterie board. Don't mind if I do. Nice fondue.
Hey.
And some, a tteokbokki maker? Oh, wait. No, octopus balls. An octopus ball maker. That's cool. I'll definitely be using that. Let's see what they else got. They got, They got a laundry room. There,
A laundry room?
Yeah, check in there. What's in here? Avery, wow. Check in here! Avery, check in here! Come, in here!
What?
Look at this! A full-on movie theater!
Does it work?
There's a huge TV screen, so it should.
Somehow.
You can even do karaoke in here. Let's see what's in here.
Hold on, I wanna test something.
Huh?
La di di la di da la di di la di da. Whatever.
Yeah.
I don't care if it sucks or not. Is that how you turn the?
It's okay.
Is that how you turn the?
Yeah, it's like
on?
yeah, that's how you turn it on.
I don't think it's turning on though.
Well, we haven't played any movies, not right now. Come on,
well,
let's
I wanna play a movie.
You can in a little bit. We have to see what else is in the house.
They got food here though.
Yeah, the complimentary.
They got paintbrushes, little paintbrush.
I think that's for the octopus balls. And it's gone now. They got a nice sink, fridge. What's in here?
Wait.
Ooh! Avery, I think I found a good office for you to do your work.
There's some. Hold on. Okay. Where? Oh, this?
Yeah, I think I found your office.
Oh, okay.
It looks formal too. And it has a bathroom too.
There's a nice garage I can work in. Nice.
Yeah. Or Leo, who never fixes your truck.
Don't bring that up. Don't bring that up.
Okay.
What's upstairs? We haven't checked.
Dude, no. Come over here. Come down. They have an elevator. Fancy.
What the? Oh, there's a second. Oh, here we go. Okay.
Come up here.
Oh, the TV works. Yay.
Hey, Avery, come up here.
Yo. I'm up here already. I'm on the second story. What are you doing?
Oh, sorry. I was on the third story. I saw something cool up there. Well, let's see what's in here now. Another laundry.
Hey.
I think I found
toilet.
I think I found our rooms.
That's a toilet.
Yeah,
I want to take this room.
Okay. I guess I'll take this one.
Does my TV work? Do I have a remote somewhere?
I have a bathroom in here too. That's cool.
Where's
a bathroom where we can take a shower though?
I don't know. I want to know where my TV.
You mean your remote? Ooh, there's an extra room. Oh, here's the bathroom where we wash ourselves. Avery, come over here. Come up here. Wait, what's in here? Ooh, another living room. I think this is like say a den. Oh, my ears doing the thing again. That's annoying. I think this is like kind of like a den.
You can turn this into a mirror.
Yeah. I guess that's cool. Come over here. Wait. Oh, I guess you can. We can see ourselves. What's in here? Wait, let's go. Behavior, let's see what's up here. Saw something cool up here. Look at this! We have a chopper!
We have a chopper.
We have a chopper.
How did we get? How?
I think.
Why?
I think we were millionaires. This is a millionaire house of some sort. Wait, let's test this thing out.
I can't even grab anything in here.
You gotta it's like a way to do it. I don't know. I'm just gonna go. Oh, I'm stuck. Oh no. Get out of here! Oh no, I think we're stuck.
We can't get out of here.
Come on. Oh no, what do we do?
I don't know. Hold on. How do I? Oh god. How do we get out of this thing?
Let's just respawn. Oh. Where'd he go? Oh, there we are.
Okay.
Oh, I didn't realize we have a waterfall.
I want to go put something on my TV because you can actually play video things on your TV. So I'm gonna find the video. Okay.
Yeah, you can watch anything on that TV. I say it's more formal to do it in the movie room.
Hold on. Not Bumble trying to be fancy. What?
The TV has a white screen right now.
I know. I'm actually. I know. I'm trying to find the actual video to put on there.
Okay.
Because you can actually put videos.
Look what Xavier, look what I found.
Hold on. I gotta put in this video.
I'm having too much fun with this.
Here. Go downstairs.
Wait. Oh! Okay, I'm gonna play with my new hammer. Oh, there's a TV in here too. Kind of floating off the ground. Yeah. Are you done with the video? Are you still cooking it up?
No. I'm still hooking it up.
What? Well, I'm the CEO. Wait, that means you're getting the suit crap.
I'm just gonna see what else is here. All when you done it. What's in here? Oh yeah, this is the other bathroom. Oh, another bathroom. That's new. Oh, a nice view of a lake. Very big lake. Which is not an ocean. It's a very big lake. They got a balcony patio? Oh, that's amazing. Well, it's not a patio, it's more like a lounging area. But still, its own barbecue? Oh, this is gonna be amazing. This is amazing. And then again, it has its own TV. Jeez, there's a lot of TVs in this place. Even has chess? Woo! How fun. Have we got that thing working?
No, not yet.
Sure you got it? Oh, another mirror. Ew. I want to see myself. Oh gosh.
He also has a girls that college game.
Oh.
Oh,
How did I?
It wouldn't let me. It wouldn't even let me finish putting it in.
There we go. I didn't know there was mirrors in this place either. Well, I guess we're just gonna be looking at white screens from now on.
No, hold on.
I mean, it's alright. I've looked at white screens.
Mr. Anda, how do you please get people to
Looks, grand. Totally grand.
I'm gonna get something. Hold on.
Alright. After you got that thing working, I gotta show you something. They got something amazing that I'm pretty sure you're gonna love.
But yeah, things fun, but that's what came like is really.
Oh, another mirror? Huh. Wow. How many mirrors are in this place?
I'm gonna have to re-put it back in. So just go look around, I guess.
I already did, and this is something that I really want to show you.
I'll try to do this one quickly though.
What are you trying to put on? The 24-hour special of the
video.
news? Because I love that one. You trying to put on Attack of Mutant Zombie Babes? I like that one too.
No.
What are you trying? I trying to put on the Butter Show? It's got a nice view down here. Nice view of a palm tree. My favorite.
Really hope this works.
It should. Or else we wouldn't have hooked these TVs up for nothing. Yeah.
Okay, gotta delete all that, and then I'm gonna.
I can still taste the pizza off me. The bacon pizza. Now I'm hungry. Ooh, they got chips? Just what I need. My favorite kind. Okay, that hit the spot. Oh yeah, that hit the spot. Whew.
Hope this works.
Damn you. It's still kind of a white screen. Dude, just tell me what the hell you're trying to do.
I'm trying to put in a video I found.
Better be something that I like.
Just not playing.
guess I'll put on my gloves.
Oh, wait. It's loading.
I'm getting kind of cold. There we go. It's loading. Oh, I still see light.
It just said invalid. Whatever, I give up.
Yeah. I guess we'll be watching white screens for now. Hey, it's not that bad. I like white screens.
Yeah.
Well, let me show you something. Something that you'll really love. In here.
They got a whole balcony out here.
Yes! A balcony fit for a party that we could have. And guess what? You'll love this. Come over here. A barbecue.
Barbecue.
Yep.
Well, I guess that's all the house, huh?
Yeah. And the fact that they also have a that's not all. They have something else. There's two things. One small, one super big. Just jump off here. Doesn't really matter. Where is it?
You're trying to get me killed.
Well, that's the way I do it. Should be somewhere around here. There it is. The pool. With his own built-in jacuzzi.
They got a pool.
And a jacuzzi. Huh. Ah, yeah. Well, maybe should have gotten them clothes, but yeah. You get the gist. This is amazing! They even got ourselves a sunbath. Even though it's nighttime.
This thing feels like 1,000 degrees.
Well, that's the point. It's a jacuzzi. And look!
No.
We got the best view of the 4th of July fireworks show.
Oh, yeah. No, but I'm being serious. That thing is like set to 1,000 degrees. You'll melt.
Oof. Yeah. You're right. It is. Yeah. Oof.
What about the ocean, though? It's probably cold.
It's not an ocean. The landlord said it's a very big lake. I don't know. If we got a lighthouse view. Where'd he go? Xavier?
I made it back out front.
Maybe let's not get into the ocean, or else we're gonna die. Where'd you
No,
go?
I didn't die. I went under a secret tunnel I found under there.
Oh. Okay. Oh, they also have another barbecue.
You can turn this into a mirror.
Again. Ugh. No, thank you. Dude, they have too many mirrors in this place.
They do. Is there a mirror for everything?
Yeah, like what the fuck? Like, what the hell's the problem? Like, there's no like. Yeah. Oh, chopsticks.
Okay, there's no gravity here either, apparently.
Yeah, everything just freezes in place.
Look.
Okay, this is
this mushroom. Oh, the mushroom has gravity, of course.
Okay, I think just some things have gravity. This is kind of fucking weird. Yeah, I don't know.
Where do we live? Where do we live? On the half of the moon and half of the earth or something?
I don't know. I mean, it is always nighttime here, so I think so.
We got a floating lighthouse. What is this?
Now that I did not realize. I thought it was just a fog.
Oh. Wait, are we on an island? Because I don't really see any, like... I don't see that much sand, really.
Well, there's sand right here.
That's not much.
I don't know.
Hey, at least we got a nice fire. Whoa, what is that dropping out of the sky?
Huh?
What are these dropping out of the sky?
It's just raining.
No. Those are white blue crystals falling out of the sky.
Ow! One just hit me. Yeah, I guess you're right.
Look.
Okay. I need to know, where the hell are we?
We're in the middle of nowhere.
Well, good. That does.
You drove the boat here and it drifted away. Now we're stuck on this island.
Well, at least we have the chopper.
The fuel doesn't work, and plus we got stuck in it.
No, trust me. I'll find a way to get the chopper to work.
And I saw
Hey.
James drive a chopper before, and he can drive those things pretty well.
Avier, I found something that you might like.
Okay, that's better than a guitar.
Yo, it actually
Where's
plays.
the door now?
Just go through it. It actually plays, trust me. Ah! Sorry, I'm not that great with pianos. Just get on it. Just play.
The-
Let me try something. What the? Okay, what just happened? Did I just teleport? Okay, we're on some weird backwater place. I don't know. I just teleported. This is weird. Let me try this. Is that good?
Never play again. And I'm being for real. Never play again, Russell.
Hey, I'm just trying out.
And these lights suck.
Yeah, they don't even work.
It's a nice piano, man, but I wish I could kneel down and play it.
Can. Some more buttons over here. They have Pong! And pool! Pong and pool! Get out here! They have Pong and pool!
Where?
Right here!
I don't see it. Like, actually, I don't see
Here, just
it.
turn on the button.
Oh.
They have
Oh.
Pong and pool!
These are cups. That's nice. And, they got this.
Cool. One of your favorite
Okay.
games?
Well, it used to be.
Oh, wait. What's over here? We haven't checked here yet. Oh. I guess it's a little open space where the garage is. I
I'm
guess
gonna
that's
try and
neat.
stand up and I'm gonna actually try and stand up in real life. Hold on.
Well, I guess that's
Oh,
neat.
I'm out of bounds. Whatever.
You're floating.
I know.
Avier, I think we're somewhere weird. At least we got this cool new house, I guess, in this weird place. This is the best thing to ever come. Mini golf. Wait, this isn't mini golf. Go karts. Oh, ooh, yes. I'm giddy. I can't believe it. This is amazing.